What's the longest banner possible on an RC plane? 20 feet.
Oh, wow, that looks so cool.
Bro,
Holy.
it's not affecting the plane at all, too.
40 feet.
Holy shit.
50 feet.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, yeah, it's already turning.
This is like the point where it's like hard to get it in frame.
60 feet.
Oh. Holy. Look, it just, like the banner just comes by.
80 feet.
It's like so slow, too. Wait, is it barely giving it a lift? Oh my
It's
God,
giving
that
it
was
a lot.
heavy.
It's giving it a lot of drag.
Yeah.
100 feet.
All right. I'm scared.
How is it still alive?
Bro, wait, the banner might get like taken along the tree.
So now we know